Does your liver need a detox? Did you know your liver is working 24/7 to filter toxins, break down harmful chemicals and keep your body running like a well-oiled machine? But what happens when it's overworked and overloaded? You might start noticing signs like constant fatigue, brain fog, stubborn weight gain or even skin problems. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into how to spot the signs your liver needs a detox, natural ways to cleanse it and the top foods to keep it healthy. Stick around, your liver will thank you. 1. What is the role of the liver in the human body? The liver is one of the most hard-working and vital organs in your body. Think of it as your body's built-in detox machine and metabolic powerhouse. Its primary role is to keep your system clean and functioning optimally, performing over 500 essential tasks every day. One of the liver's main functions is filtering toxins from your blood. Everything you eat, drink or even breathe passes through the liver, where harmful substances like chemicals, alcohol and medications are broken down and neutralized before being expelled from the body. It also produces bile, a crucial fluid that helps your body digest fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K. Without bile, your digestive system would struggle to break down fatty foods properly. Another critical function of the liver is storing essential vitamins, minerals and nutrients. It acts as a storage unit for glycogen, a form of energy, iron and vitamins like B12 and A, releasing them as needed to keep your body fueled and healthy. Additionally, the liver plays a vital role in regulating your blood composition, ensuring your blood sugar levels stay balanced and producing proteins that are essential for blood clotting. In short, your liver is like your body's natural waste disposal and recycling center. It works tirelessly 24/7, cleaning up toxins, managing energy supplies, and keeping everything running smoothly. Without it, your body wouldn't be able to function. This is why taking care of your liver is so important. 2. Signs when you need to detoxify your liver. Sometimes, despite its incredible ability to detoxify and regenerate, the liver can become overburdened, almost like an overworked employee trying to keep up with too many tasks. When this happens, the liver may struggle to perform its functions effectively, and your body begins to send warning signals. Here are some common signs that your liver might need some extra care and attention: constant fatigue or brain fog. If you're feeling unusually tired all the time or having trouble concentrating, it could be due to toxin buildup in the blood. When the liver can't filter toxins properly, they can affect your energy levels and mental clarity. Unexplained weight gain or bloating. A sluggish liver can hinder your body's ability to metabolize fats and regulate hormones. This can lead to stubborn weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, and feelings of bloating or water retention. Skin issues like acne or rashes. Your skin often reflects what's happening inside your body. When the liver isn't detoxifying efficiently, toxins can build up and manifest as acne, rashes, or even itchiness. Yellowing of the eyes or skin. Jaundice. A yellowish tint in your eyes or skin can indicate that the liver is struggling to process bilirubin, a substance produced when red blood cells are broken down. This is often a sign of liver stress or damage. Digestive problems like nausea or constipation. Since the liver plays a key role in producing bile, which is essential for digestion, a struggling liver can result in digestive discomfort. Symptoms like nausea, constipation, or even a loss of appetite could signal that your liver needs help. These symptoms don't always mean there's a severe issue; they could simply indicate that your liver is under stress and needs a bit of support. The good news is that there are natural and effective ways to give your liver a helping hand, and we'll explore those in the next sections. 3. Top 7 liver cleaning foods. Your diet plays a crucial role in supporting liver health, and there are certain superfoods that are especially beneficial for cleansing and revitalizing this hard-working organ. Let's explore the top 7 liver cleaning foods and why they're essential for your health. Garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse of liver-friendly compounds, particularly sulfur-containing compounds like allicin and selenium. These compounds help activate liver enzymes that aid in flushing out toxins. Garlic also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which further support the liver in managing harmful substances in the body. Even a small amount of raw garlic in your meals can go a long way in boosting liver function. Beets. Beets are loaded with antioxidants, particularly betalains, which are known to support detoxification and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Beets also help increase the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating waste. Their high fiber content further supports digestion and assists the liver in processing toxins efficiently. Add beets to your salads, smoothies, or roast them for a delicious side dish. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and arugula are rich in glucosinolates, which help activate liver detox pathways. These vegetables stimulate the production of enzymes that assist the liver in breaking down harmful chemicals and flushing them out of your system. Broccoli sprouts, in particular, are about 20 to 50 times more potent in liver-boosting compounds than mature broccoli. Turmeric. This golden spice is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant superstar. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to reduce liver inflammation and promote the repair of liver cells. Turmeric also stimulates the production of bile, aiding in digestion and the removal of waste. Try adding turmeric to teas, curries, or even smoothies for an easy health boost. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are gentle on the liver and provide essential nutrients. They are also high in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a critical role in protecting liver cells from damage and aiding in the detoxification of harmful substances. Incorporating avocados into your diet, whether as guacamole or sliced on toast, is a delicious way to support your liver. Lemons and citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, and other citrus fruits are excellent for promoting natural detoxification. They are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and stimulate liver enzymes that aid in flushing out toxins. Starting your day with warm lemon water can kickstart your liver's cleansing processes and boost your overall digestion. Green tea. Green tea is packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve liver function and reduce fat buildup in the liver. These antioxidants also help protect the liver from toxins and oxidative stress. Sipping on a cup of green tea daily is a simple yet effective way to support your liver's health. Incorporating these foods into your diet. Including these superfoods in your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. A simple salad with beets and arugula, a smoothie with avocado and a hint of turmeric, or a cup of green tea with a squeeze of lemon, are all easy ways to nourish your liver. By consistently eating these foods, you're not just supporting your liver, you're investing in your overall health. Your liver will definitely thank you. 4. Foods to avoid for a healthy liver. While adding liver-friendly foods is essential, there are also foods you need to cut back on. Sugary foods and drinks can increase fat buildup in the liver. Fried and processed foods are high in trans fats, which harm the liver. Excessive alcohol is one of the leading causes of liver damage. Too much salt can lead to water retention and strain the liver. Moderation is key. Your liver will thank you. So, does your liver need a detox? The truth is, your liver is already a detox superstar, it just needs the right support to function at its best. By eating the right foods, avoiding harmful ones, and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can keep your liver in tip-top shape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips from Health Buddy 101.